Hey guys, Robin here with WTA. I want to talk to you about this deodorant here, this Taos AER deodorant. This flavor, I shouldn't say flavor, this scent is ginger grapefruit and I absolutely adore it. I've suffered from hyperhidrosis, which is excessive sweating, for pretty much all my life since I can remember. So finding a good deodorant that wouldn't destroy my skin was really hard. So this one is now my all-time favorite brand of deodorant. I love them more than words could say, honestly. So one thing I love about this, it is a plant-derived deodorant. It does not contain parabens or aluminum. So it comes out in like a little kind of gel-ish form. You only need literally that much, and I just pop it right on. It's actually lightened my underarm as well from my older deodorant that used to make it really dark, but this one, because it doesn't have a lot of the harsh chemicals in there, it's actually lightened up my underarm as well. And that's it, easy peasy, smells so good. I haven't had a scent of theirs that I do not like at all, so this one's just really delicious and I love it. So I highly recommend this deodorant to absolutely everyone, male, female. The scents are pretty neutral across the board, so it doesn't really have a really distinct feminine or masculine smell. They just smell fantastic. So I love it, I recommend it 100%, and that is my point of view.